Welcome to the Steam Channel. We're looking over the O-Scale Legacy North Pole Cocoa Milk Set by Lionel Trains. This set was recently delivered by Lionel and features a 460 steam locomotive, a North Pole Central milk car, a Kloss Cocoa milk car, and a North Pole Central combine coach. This set was advertised in the 2024 Volume 1 catalog with SKU 242-2070. This is a scale legacy set from Lionel, so it does not come with track or power. The locomotive features Lionel's legacy control system, and it can be operated in legacy mode, Trainmaster command control mode, or in conventional mode with a standard transformer. It also has the option for Bluetooth control, which allows it to be operated with the Lion Chief app on your phone. Lionel advertised that the model has a powerful maintenance-free motor with a momentum flywheel. The 10-wheeler also has a die-cast metal body, pilot, and trucks, and the tender body and trucks are also die-cast. The locomotive also has whistle steam and a synchronized fan-driven smoke unit with adjustable smoke output. This is the latest Christmas theme set from Lionel, and you'll quickly notice the sound features on this locomotive are custom for Christmas and include unusual horns and church bells. This adds some fun to the set that the kids and visitors to your layout will get a kick out of. We'll give you a look at each piece in the set, starting with the locomotive and the tender. Starting up at the pilot, you'll spot the cowcatcher, the scale coupler cut lever, the polling pockets cast into the pilot beam, circular grab iron around the lower end of the smoke box, number plate, headlight, and marker lights mounted on the sides of the smoke box. Panning down the boiler, you can see the piping detail, handrails, domes, bell, safety valves, whistle, and the running gear. You'll also spot a few boiler washout plugs, the steam generator, and some step detailing. The rods have a plated finish and have scale bolt fasteners. I like that the pump on the locomotive was painted black and not green like the rest of the boiler. The spoke drivers look pretty good in red with the white walls. Up in the cab, you'll spot the engineer and fireman figures. The boiler backhead on this locomotive was pretty nicely finished, and you can see the painted valve handles, gauges, cast-on detail, and the LED lights for the fire flicker effect. The tender for this 460 is pretty nice, and you'll spot the scale co-load and the body riveting detail pretty quick. On the rear deck of the tender, you'll spot the handrails and fill hatch. Panning down the rear of the tender, you'll spot the side handrails, rear ladder, operating coupler, step detail, and cast-on grab iron detailing. There is no coupler cut lever detailing or rear tender light on this tender. The rear of the tender looks a bit naked without that detailing. The arch bar trucks under the tender look pretty good, and you can see the side frame detailing, axle box covers, leaf spring detail, and the end of the bolster. 2 milk cars are included in the set, which are the Arctic Circle milk car and the Kloss Cocoa car. Both milk cars are sharp and they feature opening doors, a detailed interior with milk tanks, removable roofs, operating couplers, and die-cast sprung trucks. The fine brake detail on the car ends is very nice, and the painting and graphic work was crisp and well done. Everything's set good on the models. I've always loved the milk cars and have added a few to the collection whenever they are run. You'll notice later that we purchased the Christmas Eggnog milk car, which was offered as a separate add-on item for this set. Trainworld still had a couple of the Eggnog cars in stock at $89.99. We also picked up the O'Leary and Strasburg milk cars, which will look great behind some scale steam. The coach features operating couplers with hidden tabs, an LED illuminated interior that is detailed, and an on-off switch to control the car lighting. The coach has great undercarriage detailing, and you can appreciate some of this detail in these pan shots. The paint set very well, and both the painting and graphic work detail were crisp. We hope Lionel offers 2 packs of these Christmas coaches in an upcoming catalog so we can add a few more to the set. Combine rides on die-cast trucks, which are pretty sharp. You can see the spring detail, leaf springs, journal box covers, and the detailed side frames. The undercarriage detail on the body really pulls together a sharp-looking car. The set overall was nice, and is a fun novelty item for the kids, both young and old. At $10.80, the price was not terrible either for what was included. Let's get everything over to the layout and check out the set in operation.
signal. Get ready to take off. It's time to fly.
These sets are selling for $1,079.99 at Trainworld, but stock is limited. If you're interested in adding this set to your collection, don't delay in visiting Trainworld.com, as they only had a few listed sets in stock at the time this review was made. We hope you enjoyed this O-Scale product review here on the Steam channel. We'll catch you on the rails.